I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster, I'm going to work on this right now. It's going to be a full video, full-size video, just for the reason of it's pretty cool. And I did this guy solid, so I'm going to make an adjustment on this camera, and we're going to rock and roll. Well, maybe not rock and roll, but we're gonna roll. All right, so there we go. So let's get started. Gonna clip the stuff off here, and we'll see what we got. The reason I got the glasses on is because I want to be able to see what I shouldn't cut. I've done that before. Sometimes this is the part that people like to see. You know, I suggest that if you don't have a 3D printer, you check out your local library and you give it a shot at your local library, because that way you'll know if you want to get into it or not. Now, I'm not sure if they charge a certain amount or how they do it, but I'm sure that it would probably be a good start for you. Oh, here's Mrs. Vinster. She's got a drink for me while I work on my project. Thank you, Mrs. Vinster. Oh, there you go. That's my vitamin C for the day. One of those a day keep the doctor away. Not the professor, though. Professor's still welcome. Like I said, I probably didn't, you know what? I probably didn't say this yet because I started the video and I didn't check to see my microphone. So this guy is like, it's printed solid because I want to use it for something. Well, I guess I let the cat out of the bag. I said this guy, so. I love these pliers. What happens is you end up choosing pliers or tools that work for you. And then sometimes you don't try something different because that's the way it goes. But there is different options to do and stuff other than I do. But I like it the way I do it to a point. But hey, if you ever want to say how you do it, go ahead. But one thing I don't like, I really don't like, tree supports. I don't like them, never liked them. Some people love them, and I respect that. But for me, I'm not a tree support guy unless it's something that's simple. But I just find if that tree support gets broken off, you're kind of dead in the water. So now, hey, guys swear by them, they like them. Hey, I never put it this way. If I watch a video and somebody's doing it and I don't like it, the way they're doing it, I don't go dislike. I don't do that. I've never disliked anybody's videos. Now, I've never sometimes liked people's videos. I just think, you know what? If you don't like it, you don't have to comment and say, I don't like it or whatever. But if you do, go up to it and say why you don't like it, to a point where instead of just don't like it, maybe the guy's doing the same thing you're doing. It's competition. Well, I don't find 3D printing competition. I find everybody's got something to share, and I never ever tell somebody that they're doing something wrong, because to do something right, first of all, in some cases, and it happens, you might do it wrong, but it might not be wrong to somebody else. So I don't judge, and if somebody judges me, I just whatever. I mean, I don't get mad about it. I mean, sometimes I'll question and say, why do you feel that way? To cause, conversation about it. And sometimes it just won't say nothing. And that's your choice. These are the new blades I got. If you've seen some of my videos where I broke my favorite blade, well, I found some blades that actually are good and may even be better than the one I have. See, that's the thing I was just saying to you. You get locked on something that works for you, and some people just don't like change. You just don't want to change it, and if it's working for you, fine. But with 3D printing, you can experiment. You get time to experiment. Some people will go, oh, that's a great print. Yeah, I pushed a button, did what it did. But to me, it's what you do after. Okay. Sometimes I'll stop and make sure everything's going good. Yeah, and the whole idea with these is try not to slip. You don't want to slip with your knife. Set it up on an angle that you can get away with in case it does fly out on you. Oops. Knock your wrench over. Come on. There we go. Getting there. We got some cleaning up to do, but hey. Go. Yeah, there's some spots underneath that have to come out. Things have joined. There we go. Yeah, this is one sharp knife, so you don't want to be in front of this one. Like that almost. I'm going to show this to you in a minute. Go. Getting there. Now his hand, let's see, there it goes, pulled off good. Now there's some small spots that have to be picked at that still have supports in them. But that could be done. Okay, so there he is. I'm gonna put him right there. Right there. There you go. So what I made him for was when I was thinking it was small enough, and I don't know. Oh, here we go. It was small enough to hold the paintbrush. I thought that was kind of cool. So there we go. We got a armored, like a knight in shining armor, offering a paintbrush. So it would be the point where maybe somebody in your life is a painter, and it's their birthday, and maybe you buy them a set of brushes or whatever, and you offer it like this. I know there's some stuff still hanging off here, so other than that, but there you go. So what do you think of that? I think it's cool. I think it's really cool.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.